Okay, let's see what's happening to the garden. It's been a little bit of time. So this is the mustard garden. Stuff's growing. Broccoli's flowering. Got to pick that. Tomatoes over here. Got some crems forming. The peppers. Something ate the 2 peppers there. Got blueberries in. Forming blueberries right over there. Look at that. Look at those blueberries forming. The net right here is to keep the birds off. The beans, they still have some time to get a little bit bigger. The sage flowering, and look at this. The peas are flowering finally. And we've got collard greens all right here, lemon balm, golden squash. Haven't seen the nettles come up yet. Celery, the lettuce is doing good. And these are the habanero peppers. And then the cucumbers. And then the dill, garlic chives, onions, basil, fennel. Chamomile's flowering real nice. And then we got oregano going nuts. And then we got the thyme there, cilantro there. Let's pick some broccoli. When the broccoli goes to flower, the yellow flowers are a little bit sweeter. To keep your basils a little bit to get them bigger, you want to actually, where it's like each of these little nodes right here, where each leaf is, you want to actually take the little top that's flowering off, and you want to pick those flowers right off that it actually becomes bigger, and not put their energy into these. And they taste good as a nibble too. Tastes fantastic. Very minty for this species. And that's what's has happened to the garden. It's still a little bit early, but stuff's still growing.